As library procedures change, it may be necessary to add or edit the circulation notices sent to patrons. Once you've logged into the Sierra desktop application, you can access the circulation notices by clicking the Admin menu. Select Parameters, Circulation, and Text of Circulation Notices. The new window that opens displays all circulation notices in use. Note that the options to delete, insert, and move notices are not available. Sierra identifies circulation notices based on their numerical position in this table. Getting them out of sequence would cause numerous problems, so these functions have been disabled. Before adding a new notice type, determine if an existing notice can be reused. To edit an existing notice, either double-click an entry or highlight an entry and click Edit. Both the notice type and the notice text can be edited. The notice type is limited to 20 characters. The notice text field is limited to 6 lines with 76 characters per line, so the text may not always wrap in the way you would expect. It may be a good practice to send the text to an email address to review prior to saving. To do this, click Print. In the new window, select Email Printer and click the Print button. Enter an email address in the prompt. The email note is optional. Click Print to send the email with the notice text. Once you've confirmed that the text is displayed properly, click OK. Remember to click Save and Close to save the changes. If an entry can't be reused, click the Append icon to add a new notice to the table. In the notice type, add a description of the new notice. In the notice text, type the message that you want to send to the patron. Click OK to add the notice to the table. Again, it's good practice to email the notice to an email account to ensure that the text is displayed correctly. Click Save and Close to save the changes. If you have any questions, please contact us at libraries@ohio5.org.